Oh, dude, made with cinnamon. I'm telling you, cinnamon kills things.
Oh my gosh, you have a cinnamon obsession.
It doesn't work. No, it doesn't work.
This is a liquid.
I'm still killing them with this. Oh, dude, I'm going in there and I'm getting out.
All right.
I already got stung twice. Dude, this is scary. Because they will attack you. These are hornets. Die, you motherfrickers. Oh, they're freaking out, dude.
Oh, God.
Dude, this smells good. Smell
It
it.
actually does.
Dude, it's like the Febreze. It's better than the pumpkin, man.
And the wasps were getting treated good.
Dude, they were freaking out.
I don't know if you actually sprayed them.
Oh, dude, all of them are gone but one.
I think
This
you
is
got
like the final boss in the game.
you got
Oh, dude,
trampled.
one's on the engine.
Get him off the engine.
We'll just get an aroma in there. Oh, he's on the alternator actually right now. Buddy knows it's broken.
I think
Wow.
you got it.
That works.
Okay.
Now we gotta pull it out. Alright. I'm gonna find it, something to hook it. I'll just wrap it around this. Hopefully it doesn't break.
That's gonna come off.
You think?
Yeah, you can. It's moving around a lot.
Dude, that's sturdier than anything.
That's gonna break.
That's sturdier than anything. Oh no!
Not anything on the engine though. Should be a cross member under there.
I think that's what I got. Alright, try that. Hey, we driving, baby.
Oh my gosh. How does she feel?
Like a Mustang. I'd rather have this than a Mustang. No, not on the windows, not on the windows, not on the windows, not on the
I
windows.
want that window right
Oh
there.
no.
Let him take it.
Let him have it.
Watch that shit bounce back.
Here, let me get a good
That's
head.
falling right through. Oh no. Did it go through both? You can hit that window, I don't care. Oh my god.
You made a little one.
I'm editing a sound effect on that. Oh no, I thought you were gonna miss. Oh, the Huntress Tomahawk? It only shattered.
Oh, look at that.
Look at that durability on the 2005 range. Oh, what are you doing?
See, we're doing this as a joke, but there's a guy in
dude,
the
look how
neighborhood
big
who's
this is.
30 years old. He has a Volkswagen Jetta that he straight piped, and it just sounds so stupid.
Alright, we need Shrek green.
No, if they're gonna be like, sir, you're not allowed to record, and I'm not recording. I'm just capturing 60 frames per second. You gotta look for the ogre green.
I think this is ogre green.
Mm,
No, it's not this dark though.
no.
Ogre green's like this.
This is like a sunburnt Shrek right here.
This is Shrek on dirty.
Dude, you want to do the room scroll?
Oh my
Dude,
gosh.
let's do it. Which one? Just any of them? Okay.
Wait, so we needed the green for the ogre.
We
Oh,
need the ogre.
orange for what? The
Tiger. Where's the closest orange?
I think that's a good orange.
Right here?
There, yeah.
Orange.
That's ultra.
And then we just need black. No, we always need a good old black.
Okay. Are you gonna say something else?
No, that's it.
I actually have a car here. I was looking for some replacement parts to spice it up
To
a little
spice
bit.
it up.
God, my hair color.
Oh, that looks painful.
You want to try it though? You try it. That's
I got like no hair.
Wave check.
Oh my gosh.
Dude, imagine he's like.
This kid looks like everybody at our school now. Let's see that hair.
My hair.
Flop it up like the poodle real quick. Oof.
They be doing that, and then they go
Nah, they
backwards. See the bullet. They hit them with the.
yeah. Oof.
They like falling back. I'm still ready to say the 60 frames thing. Say, oh no, he's just filming 60 frames. Yeah, I hope the one employee comes up to us, the one that told us we should die.
Does she work here?
She works here.
Really?
I just saw her on the way in. I'm actually a part of the IST, I Suck Toes organization. Did I want to say that when we film one day?
You guys have your IST licenses?
I'm an IST license, man. We're fine. Yeah. We have like 3 subscribers.
Yeah, we have 4.
Oh, wait, 4 now?
Yeah, my mom just subscribed.
Oh my gosh! Dude, look at this. Look at all. We gotta do them all.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, man.
I got a little divot as well.
And there's just dirt on it. You ready?
And you're gonna see the tape.
Oh my god.
That's actually not a bad line.
Did I lay good lines? I'm a pro painter.
What's on me?
You back in the future. How about I put you on the fucking clock? Look at that. It looks so good. Except like this little part.
Yeah.
They're fine good.
That is amazing. That is better than yours. Yours has no interest. No. Oh my gosh, look at that car. We got gold rims.
Mine runs, Cole.
Oh, ours runs too.
This is so nice, actually.
Alright, let's do the ogre tailgate. H-R-E-K.
Alright, let's see it.
Let's hit him with it. Shrek, dude.
Oh my god, that looks so bad, but beautiful at the same time. I thought you were gonna.
Dude, it just
floor
took
it.
off.
I thought you were gonna
Did I get
floor
in the
it.
air? I said, did I get in the air?
All right, take the battery charger and the battery out.
Damn, that thing's hot, baby.
It would hit the tree first.
Dude, why don't you help me?
Don't. Just push it.
I'm not gonna help you. I can't work. Alright,
Jeez.
let's put the battery in.
Started raining.
We were in there. Holy crap.
Punctured your gas tank. Huh? You punctured your gas tank. Yeah. Is that what that is?
Where?
Smell it. It's over there. Something's pouring out of the bottom. Oh yeah, he did. Oh yeah.
Oh my god. No.
I didn't puncture. Let's just say that.
Almost $3 a gallon now.
You're exhausted.
No. There you go.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
Alright, motherfucker.
Alright, guys, the Ranger's done for.
The Ranger is fricked. Just look at it for yourself. It is done. The gas tank got punctured, so we can't even drive it.
Yeah.
And let's just hit him with the honorable
Well,
salute. Yep, hit him with the salute.
how do I friggin' hold this?
Yep. We'll hit him with the goodbye, Ranger. Look at this dude. Look at this dude. Look at this dude. Look at this dude. What's your name?
My name is Jayon.
What's your age?
Between 12 and 17.
What's your social security number?
I'm not providing that.
Look at this kid. What's your name, sir?
Nah, don't have one.
What's your social security?
I can pull up my green card.
Hey, we out here on the birthday, you feels me, cuz? We ballin' and, you know,
yeah,
we in the hood every day, every night, you feels me, son? Peace.
Bro, you better quick.
No.
I'm gonna jump master, bro.
I wanna try to get 2 in one jump.
2 in 1 jump?
I wanted to try to.
I'm gonna jump master, bro.
I'm like the dog. I like to eat a frog.
We might need straps, because I'm thinking if we get a strap, like this, this should work. I don't know. And then we tie it to the fence, we can have hammocks. But you also have a sleeping bag.
True. I think a hammock's the move.
Huh? Yeah, hammocks might be the move.
So, first off, what's your plan?
Alright. So my plan was, Colby is very afraid of snakes.
Okay.
So I'm thinking instead of getting stuff for us, we just get stuff to sabotage them only. So like we get fart spray or something, we get a rubber snake, and we try to scare them out. Because if there's a snake at all, that man is going inside.
Wait, huh?
Oh, look at them, dude, look at them.
How do you even, oh, here we go, here's his name. Hey, stop filming. This is a store. No. Hold on. I'm gonna go back here and take a look at what they're looking at.
We won't need as much as these. Oh, go, you rat.
Nah, dude,
Go.
you're not allowed to block me out of an aisle. That's illegal.
No, that's fair. Yeah.
Nope.
That's fair.
Oh, looking at canopy ties. Okay.
No, we're actually not.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay.
Alright, air horns. Oh, dude, we gotta get a Fortnite pinata.
You got a creeper one.
Yeah.
Oh boy.
We don't need a whole bunch.
Yeah, I said we get like small carton.
Okay.
Oh, look at these.
Oh.
They got eggs.
Oh my.
Oh, they're gonna throw them at us. They're not cooking. Dude, we might have to take a detour to get toilet paper and eggs.
Alright.
You think so?
Ah, but food though.
I'm spending the money. They don't know about the $50 we might get too. Oh, dude, this is a dual bike one. That will get annoying, I think. It's $5. Oh, dude. What am I kidding? We gotta get the pink one. That's annoying. I'm getting
It's
it.
a one-time use thing.
No, we're gonna go over there and spam it. I'm just spamming on them. That's gonna be so annoying. I wonder what they're talking about. It's alright, we're good.
Hide it.
We'll just hit them with a
Good.
so they know that what's coming to them is that.
I should get a shock and an eliminator competition.
What's the total? $40?
40, baby. Dude, we deserve this. They're trolling us.
Yeah. Dude. Mothballs smell really bad. They do. They're $5. Let's get them.
Alright, sounds good.
Yeah, we're so evil.
Dude, look at them. They literally have Pringles and eggs. Here, come on. We're gonna lurk in the shadows. They literally have Pringles and eggs. I'm dead. Y'all have Pringles and eggs. Y'all have Pringles and air freshener.
No, I'm getting these with my own money because I'm
Dude,
for my car.
you literally have Pringles and eggs.
Yeah.
What is that?
Hide it.
Bro, what is? Dude, I'm.
Okay, we're gonna check out. We're done too. But you gotta get away from us.
Alright.
Freak
I mean, I'm gonna tell you.
out of here.
Some eggs.
Dude, yeah, we got
Pringles.
eggs. Freak out of here, kid. For me roasting eggs. Get out of here.
Dude, you literally have eggs.
You wanna back up?
Alright, we'll leave.
Yeah, get out of
We'll
here.
leave.
Yeah, let's get the tarp set up. Oh, there's the secret weapon right there.
Oh yeah.
You gotta hide those.
Yeah, yes
Just got the goods right here.
Alright.
I hope they smell bad, because I don't know.
You smell kind of.
When I was a little kid, I smelled those once, and they smell like shit. So.
All right.
Here's our home for the next freaking night. It's just a tarp.
All right, boys. I'll show you what we got so far. It actually ain't looking that bad. We got a wall, and that's our slumper area. And then we're taping this up, or stringing it up.
First of all, we're bringing in illegal items.
What illegal items?
Illegal items.
What illegal items?
Contraband.
Hey. Nothing was off
What
the
is
books.
it? What is this? Oh, a red flashlight, huh? Made in China.
It is a red flashlight, buddy.
Yeah, it is. Yes. Actually, Bruno, what color is this?
Oh, shut up. It's just green.
Okay.
I'm red, green colorblind.
All right, is the lighting good then?
Don't hold it up to your face.
Don't.
Don't.
All right, today we built the fort. You want to show them the fort? We got the tarp on the wall over here. Oh, while you were gone, I built the shelf.
Nice.
This is a makeshift shelf. I don't know if we're gonna be able to sleep in it because there's lightning coming, but we got this, and we still have this. Now we have to unveil. We gotta do it quiet because they're over there. We got the tripwire, obviously, as you can tell. They'll definitely fall for that. I got the lit. All right, take us on a tour of the crib, the MTV Cribs tour.
All right. So are we not staying out here?
If it keeps lightning, yeah.
Okay. So we shouldn't give
We might
out.
just have like a battle.
We shouldn't give out our secrets yet, then.
All right, they won't give out their secrets.
All right. So what do we want to show here?
I think we should show them.
Oh, maybe the tarp or something.
Show them the living quarters.
Okay, so we got a blue tarp here.
Yeah.
Oh my God!
That's definitely our secret weapon.
You dickhead. Yeah, so we got a tarp here. We have duct tape.
Oh my.
And you guys, the thing is, it's so dark out here. Even with flashlights, it would be hard to recognize what it was.
Huh.
And yeah, I feel like a bad smell would make you want to go inside.
Dang.
So. What?
Oh my. That.
Yeah.
Oh.
Here, I shouldn't hurt. Let me just do one on your head.
Hey, let me
Dude, they actually do hurt a
Grab
little.
one color.
Here, color. Here, you wanna shine this? I got the beef jerky for us, Bruno.
Let me try one.
You gotta do it on the side.
Jeez, motherfricker,
Do
you
it on
trying to
the
give me a
side.
concussion?
Do it on the side.
How?
The side, like this.
This man's giving me the bow and arrow.
Yeah, do it on the side. The side is more unbreakable.
Oh my
No,
gosh!
the side. Look,
You're trying to give me a concussion.
look. Like this.
That still hurts though.
Really?
Yeah.
Here, I'll crack it. I'll crack it. See? Cracked it. Cracked it open.
Oh.
Dude, I'm gonna bleed.
Get.
Damn it.
Oh no.
Let me see your elbow.
Why do you want my elbow?
There you go, bud.
Oh, no. Oh, the neck! Oh. Oh, yeah, at
We
least,
made some
at least we
mess
got the
over here.
horn.
It's on a tarp though. Oh yeah, the mothballs are behind the tree.
Dude, go get them. I want to see what they look like. I want to see how ass they smell.
They're in a bag.
Oh my gosh, there's so many.
Smell it, and then
Oh, that smells good. Oh, I wish he would have done that. It would have smelled good.
Let me smell. They smell nice.
Oh, those smell good.
no.
Smell them, Bruno.
Oh, I'm bad. I'm gonna be honest.
Yeah, I would have loved
I'm
that.
used to it.
I thought they were worse.
I would have said
actually.
thank you for that.
Okay, so you want to end the video now? Oh my gosh.
On the rap game, can't even drink alcohol yet, but I'm a rapper. Best rapper here. I will diss track Eminem. He ain't no weird. Oh, okay, now I'm getting ready. I'm getting just started, cause I find these rap beats on YouTube music. Ooh, okay. I'm hard like a goose. Yeah, I fight like a moose.